To set up a PIN on Cash App, start by opening the app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and create an account if you have not already done so. Once you have opened the app, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the profile menu, select the Security and Privacy option. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various security settings for your account. Look for the option to set up a PIN and tap on it. You will then be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. It is also a good idea to choose a PIN that you do not use for any other accounts. Enter your 4-digit PIN and then confirm it by entering it again. Once you have set up your PIN, you will be required to enter it each time you log into the app or when you are making a payment. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps to protect it from unauthorized access. It is a good idea to keep your PIN confidential and not share it with anyone. If you forget your PIN, you can reset it from the Security and Privacy menu. To do this, select the option to reset your PIN and follow the prompts to create a new one. Setting up a PIN on Cash App is a simple and effective way to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these steps, you can help to protect your account and keep your money safe. Remember to always keep your PIN confidential and to reset it if you suspect that someone else has gained access to it. In addition to setting up a PIN, it is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication on your account. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email each time you log in to the app. This adds an extra layer of security and helps to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these best practices, you can help to keep your Cash App account safe and secure.